Oh, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the third video and episode 2 in the Getting Grip series, where I am trying to get a grip with VR racing and especially racing in an esports league here in Lightspeed Racing. Yeah, today we are at the Red Bull Ring, a very beautiful track. And we are heading into qualifying, and let me tell you this, we had an hour of free practice before this and it was garbage. I want to do this lap a bit more conservative. Won't be the fastest one, but at least we will post the time.
Our lap, clear left side.
Fucking idiot, dude. Pretty horrific qualifying. Once again. Dude, look at Toady. He's like so far up front. He also won the race in Imola. He's in the wrong class. Garrett's also very fast. That's okay. Dude, we are fucking shit. Thought I could get some redemption for Imola. Because, what I haven't told you. Remember in the Imola video, we managed to spin a blue McLaren. He complained as he had the right to do, and I got a 10-second penalty demoting me from third to well, fourth. All right, we're going for 120 now. Jesus Christ, what am I doing? Where do I need to be, dude? What the fuck is happening here? We all, literally all of us, almost missed the formation lap. Cool shit, bro. Now we gotta do the weird double chin move to actually see that we're not going too fast nor in the right position. So, hello everyone. Welcome to this race. Get fucking in front, dude.
Green, green, green.
Woo, I actually have a gap in the back. They slept. Good. Give me a bit.
Our lap.
Oh my god, no, 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 no.
Tiny bit of aero damage just in our left side. Like,
What the fuck was that?
Still there.
What
Good
happened?
job.
They braked so early, way earlier than I expected, so it was kind of my fault, but
Yellow flag. Green flag, all clear.
oh bullshit. It's already in the bin. Race is already fucked. I'm gonna get like 30 seconds of penalties because of that. I was watching the track. I can send them my VR view. I actually just got confused with following the Audi, who went 3 wide, and he braked way earlier than I expected. Way earlier.
He's on your left side. Clear on the left.
Well, look again. I don't know. Is that lag, or is he just braking testing me? That's the same thing with the Audi. It's the car comes towards you. I was actually prepared for that, but I didn't see the brake lights coming on. I don't know. Is he lifting? The same thing happened with the Audi. He suddenly got so close, way earlier than I expected. Like I expected to brake between.
Left side.
Yeah, fuck this race.
Good job, buddy.
I expected to brake between the 150 and 100 mark. And he came close so early, and I didn't see well, basically the brake lights. But yeah, we were struggling with that Audi last week as well. But yeah, the race is fucked. That is that. P40 championship has been thrown away on the Red Bull Ring second race, so...
Green flag, you're clear of the incident. Right side, clear on the right.
We're just trying to do some damage limitation. Aussie brakes so weird. I don't know. Maybe it's because I have more downforce on, but
Still there.
he brakes so weird.
He's still there. Still there. Left side clear. Sweet pass, mate. On your right. Right
Goodbye.
clear. 38, come on, that's the stuff. Yellow flag. He's on your left side. He's still there. Green flag, you're clear. Still there. He's still there. Keep it steady, still there. Clear left. You got one right side. Right side. 3 wide, you're in the middle. Clear left.
Who was that?
Far right. Clear. The window opens in 2 minutes. Coming up on your clear right. On your right. Hold your line. He's still there. Keep it together. Hold your line. Right side clear. Yes, isn't it? Our left. Left side clear. Left side. Still there. Clear left. Good job, buddy. Your time temps are all good. You can brakes again. The window opens in 1 minute.
Holy shit, the driving standard is so low today. Like from everyone, including myself. What is happening? I'm sorry I didn't talk the first few laps. I was just concentrating so hard. Do not fuck up anymore. I'm sorry, totally sorry I'm not talking, but I totally forgot, to be honest. But I'm so confused because... Dude, the lines some people are taking, and especially their braking points, are worrying me. Like for their mental health at some points. They overshoot, they brake very early, or they take lines that are just, well, basically, in German we would say bodenlos. So eine Bullshit, Alter. So eine Drecksrennen bereits. Das rotzt mich an. Such a weird race. Hit-free practice. Weird-ass qualifying. The debacle on the formation lap.
Your brakes are getting a bit hot.
Pissing me off, dude. It was supposed to be a fun evening, but it's not at the moment.
You got one right side. He's still there. Keep it steady, still there. Right clear.
Not my fault. You had your room. I actually wouldn't have need. I didn't even need to give you room because according to the league rules, you have to back out if you're not side by side or ahead. And I was ahead all the time. And you just suck. Man! Calm down. Thing is, this video is just gonna be plain fucking boring apart from the first laps because I'm racing myself and my incompetence, so woohoo! So I'm terribly sorry if you are still watching, and I appreciate you massively, but that shit is pretty boring so far. Yeah, because we put in as standard 131 or was it 132 for per. Ah, you can't! Woo! Jump scare! The enthusiasm is real. Definitely no questioning. Spending 3 hours of my life today rather than studying for this shit here. Gonna outbreak you just for the sake of it because you don't need to dive here. I think my cat just took a massive shit in the bathroom next to my room because where the litter box is because it fucking smells. Ugh.
Right side. Still there. Still there. He's still there. Clear.
Yeah, you're gonna get a penalty for that.
What about track limits?
Gonna open a ticket. Second ticket I'm gonna open the... Alright, second ticket. First one will be the guy who impeded me on qualifying.
Right side's clear. On your right side. Right side's clear. Coming up on your...
Oh, dude, it smells so bad. I'm already sweating in a hot-ass room with a VR headset that doesn't really help with, like, the respiratory system of the human body, right? Because you have, like, half a kilo on your nose. So breathing already is hard, and now my cat decided to, well, basically gas me. Oh, dude.
On your right. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Right side clear. On your right. Yeah, right.
Jo, du hast einfach kein Skill. Du eine Banane, du ehrlich, du nervst mich schon seit Imola. Kopfverdeckel. What are you doing, dude? Fucking idiot. completely fucking up the fuel calculation in the end anyways, to then someone in the formation lap thinking, oh yeah, no, I don't need to close up to the pack, let's just have pretty much a race to the end of the queue.
Right side.
Yeah,
Clear on the right.
you are a retard as well.
Clear left. Good job.
What is that? I'm gonna have an aneurysm today. Don't take that curb, don't slide. Come on, let's just have a clean lap, please. Remember when I said a low 130 next lap? Well, this one is a high 130, so woohoo! Well done, Tim. Haven't seen anyone in like a year. 10 seconds of a gap in front of me. Mesmerizing content. If you are still watching, why? This isn't gonna be a low 130 either, let's be real. Not even close to a low 130. We're actually not even hitting the 130 mark anymore. It's incredible, we have like 40 cars on track and I'm driving for myself. Ow! Forgot to brake! Oh! Missed my braking point by like 20 meters.
Just had a warning for good.
And he's right behind me now. Karma for looking to the left. And because I still have some hope that one day I actually find clients, I will need to buy a new one, so the money is gone already. Well, the point of the matter is, after Spa, or actually at this point, I managed to buy...
Yellow flag.
Ja, fick dich, du Hurennotte, ärligt!
Some minor aero damage.
En vixus!
Car left. Still there. He's still there. Still there. He's still there. Clear left. Good job, buddy.
Jo, was? Du bist eh ein Idiot. Du bist der, das ist der, wo mich... This is the guy who is now in front of me, who impeded me on my qualifying lap. Which wasn't even that bad because I managed to do a faster lap anyways.
Car left.
At the end of qualifying, but
Still there.
still, he did.
Still there. Clear left side.
Again, the racing standard is so fucking low today.
Keep it together.
I had one mistake in turn one. One. I take the blame for that, yes. I have my reasons for it. I think why it happened.
Clear right side.
Why I got confused. And it happened, but the rest of the incidents are not my fault. Not one of them. Not one. I had a fairly clean race in my opinion. Jesus fucking Christ. What is this garbage? Talking about, oh, we have league rules and everything. Bullshit.
Yellow flag. Stay sharp. Blue flag.
What happened now?
The car in front of us is
Okay.
shilling. Expect
Car just shut down. I'm actually... The shit makes me sad because... Yeah, I'm done. VR headset is off. So I'm sorry if you're only seeing garbage at the moment. I'm really thinking about not competing anymore because this is garbage. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'm gonna do a different kind of esports league depending on how it plays out in Discord now after this race and compete there. Maybe if I get an explanation for what just happened, I'm gonna still compete in light speed racing, or number 3, the sim racing videos, I'm just gonna race against AI because fuck this shit. I really enjoy racing against real people. I had great first 2 races in Kialami and Red Bull. I had a great time in Imola last week, even though the end result was fucked, but just by my lack of pace, basically. The 10-second time penalty from Imola was totally fine. So yeah, if you watched the whole video, I appreciate you. Subscribe, like. Thanks for hanging in. I'm sorry for the profanity and the rage today, but that was a shit show. That was an absolute shit show. So yeah, see you around. Goodbye.